Kanchipuram soft silk saree, a borderless collection, hand woven, very beautiful, very famous design. Always demanded beautiful saree in a excellent peach color shade here. It's a Kanahambaram peach with mild pink and peach mixed shade color. A very elegant light orange tone also in the saree. The perfect Kanahambaram color it is, and you can see the borderless concept with a beautiful square shaped buttas. The buttas having floral pattern and the buttas are weaved in a very beautiful way. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a triangle when it is draped. Soft and fine finished, beautiful soft silk, a premium variety with same color pallu, and pallu is also a simple and elegant pallu here with diagonal finished zari work, and we have plain blouse piece. Hand woven, very elegant saree in a beautiful color, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double bark. Hand woven, very elegant and always demanded design sarees in a single color concept, borderless variety. The low rise, beautiful butta collection in golden zari work. A beautiful deep red shade, elegant and very attractive, eye-catchy color. Beautiful color too. You can see the buttas. Buttas are in golden zari and it is in square shape, weaved in a very beautiful way that number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a triangle when it is draped. All over the saree, the triangle pattern continues. A floral design it is, very elegant and beautifully looking in this bright red color. And we have the pallu also in same color with a very simple and beautiful design in the pallu. Plain blouse piece in same color and the pallu tassels are already made. A beautiful collection, always demanded best collection in the best color combination. It comes with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless and always trending beautiful design in a pastel color shade. The complete saree is peach here, light and beautiful pastel peach color with very elegant buttas. The buttas are done using golden zari. Floral pattern that is done in a square shape, and the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. And the same way the pattern increase and decrease happens all over the saree. You can see the beautiful borderless concept as well, and the same color pallu. Pallu is also a shuttle, beautiful design, a diagonal, simple pallu with very elegant tassels already made, and we have same color running blouse piece. Excellent saree in a pastel shade for the pastel lovers, completely handmade with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection, a trendy collection too. Low rise pattern in a single color. The complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in single color. And here we have a beautiful brown and maroon mixed color. Dark brown we can call, a coffee shade brown. Red and black is mixed to get this color. Very elegant one. The pallu is very simple yet very elegant. Diagonally zari worked pallu. Beautiful one with buttas in a very different way. Weaved in a very different way. Square shaped floral design buttas using gold zari, and it is done in a triangular pattern. It increases and then decreases and makes a triangle when it is draped. Beautiful one. Ever trendy, ever demanded design. Excellent color in same color. Pallu also given. A pallu color blouse piece. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise concept sarees done on excellent bright shade here. Yellow mixed with Fanta orange to get a beautiful shade. A bright shade it is. The complete saree, even the pallu and blouse piece are in same color. Very elegant, simple pallu design. And we have the buttas done using silver and golden zari, which gives a beautiful tone, and it is done in a square shape. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Elegant one, borderless concept, very simple and very beautiful, elegant collection with same pallu color, body and pallu color blouse piece. Excellent creation with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise pattern sarees, always demanded beautiful design, elegant one with single color concept. Here we have a green shade. The green is done using light fluorescent yellow mixed with green to get the excellent shade. So on green you can see a beautiful goldish yellow shade with very elegant square shaped buttas that is done very elegantly using the golden zari, and it increases in numbers and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. A fine borderless concept saree very elegant weaving, and we have a beautiful simple pallu in same body color, and the pallu tassels are already made with plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent color, beautiful choice, a rare combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work, a very elegant low rise pattern sarees, always demanded, beautiful design on an excellent color combination here, dual tone. Mustard yellow is mixed with light green, a parrot green, to get a beautiful yellowish green color. Beautiful tone, the complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse piece is in same color, with very elegant square shaped buttas in a floral pattern done using gold zari here, and it increases in numbers, weaved in a very beautiful way, and decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Excellent borderless concept, finely weaved, beautiful texture. The pallu of the saree is also in same color with plain blouse piece and a very simple and beautiful pallu here. The pallu tassels are already made, a handcrafted beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful and trendy low rise pattern sarees on a very excellent color shade. Here we have yellow and light green mixed color, a very beautiful green we are getting with mild yellow tinge, and we have a golden zari worked beautiful butta design. Square shaped buttas, floral pattern done in an excellent way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Borderless concept, and you can see the same body color pallu. Very simple and elegant zari worked pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent handcrafted design, beautiful and demanded saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful collection, low rise, ever lovable pattern, trendy sarees. Then exclusive colors here. Here we have a deep green color, deep forest green mixed with black to get a excellent darkish green shade. It's very beautiful. You can see the buttas. Buttas are very visible on this color. Gold zari, square shaped buttas done in a beautiful way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases to make a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Borderless concept, and we have a elegant pallu. Pallu is also very simple and beautiful gold zari worked pallu. We have plain blouse piece. The combination of the buttas on the dark color is very beautiful. A hand woven excellent dark shade saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful launch, trendy collection, always demanded design, completely in single color. And here we have a dual tone, an excellent color here. Mustard yellow mixed with a lime green to get a beautiful shade of yellow. Goldish, excellent shade, mild green tinge is also there. And we have buttas that is in square shape, floral one. And the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. And it is a borderless concept. Complete saree is in single color, no contrast concept. And we have a beautiful pallu, very simple pallu in gold zari, and a plain blouse piece in the same color. Excellent hand woven and very elegant saree, and a very beautiful color, rare color too, with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful, always demanded, beautiful saree here. Low rise pattern sarees in a single beautiful color. Here we have a blue that is in a pastel shade, really beautiful color, light blue with a buttas that is in square shape, and it is also in the floral pattern. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. A really fantastic saree, perfectly weaved one, completely handmade too, with the pallu that is very simple one, really light and beautiful pallu, elegant one too, with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. The color of the saree is very different, completely hand woven, beautiful collection with authentic silk mark.